Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, iPhone with iOS 26, and now I'm going to show you how to clear cache on this device. So to clear cache on your iPhone, you generally need to address it in two main areas: browser cache and app cache. So for Safari, for example, to clear cache, firstly we should open Settings. Then scroll down, open apps. Here scroll down and find here Safari. Or you can just open Source and find Safari here. Open it. And here we should just scroll down again and find here Clear History and Website Data. Click Clear History, All History, click Clear History, and cool, that's it. For the Chrome, we have a little bit different type of clearing cache. To do that, we just should open Chrome browser. Then click on the three dots button on the right bottom corner, and then here we should tap History, then clear browse, delete browsing data. Click Delete Data. Time range, we should just change time range, for example, all the time. Click Delete Data, and cool, that's it. But what about clearing app cache? So iOS doesn't have a universal clear app cache button. You have a few options to do that. So first option, check within the app itself. For example, some apps like social media, Spotify, TikTok have an option in their own settings to clear their cache. So just try to look for storage, data usage, or clear cache within the app settings. But we have more universal, it's still not the universal feature, but more universal is just Offloading app. So this frees up storage used by the app, but keeps its document and data. So when you reinstall the app, your data will still be there, but the cached files will be gone. So to do that, open Settings, and scroll down, open Apps, and find application you wanna cache you wanna remove, right? So for example, in my case, okay, it could be an Instagram, for example. Here where we in Instagram, so we just we should open not these settings but general iPhone settings. So open Settings, find General, then find iPhone Storage. Look for TikTok, for example. We have TikTok here, and as you can see, TikTok, we have 1 GB of data, right? So click Offload App, and click Offload App. Wait a while. Cool, and now click Reinstall the app. Okay, after a while, as you can see, we have this situation that we have a little bit less space used by TikTok, but as you can see, it's still a lot of space used. So app size is the same, document data are a little bit less, but now we can open TikTok Then open settings and privacy. Here we can find cache and mobile, so click free up space here, and here we have our cache, so we can clear the cache, we can clear the drafts if you want, and of course downloads. And cool. So, and of course the best way to clear the cache on iOS is just to delete and reinstall the application. So by deleting and reinstalling an app, you will remove all app data, all cache or all saved data, and you will just reinstall it. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Bye. See you.